Hey, what's up, guys? Matthew Cindy 90 here. Hope you guys are having a good day today. Today is Monday, April 25th. And you guys probably can't tell right now, but I'm actually over at a park right now by the Mud Creek Trail. It's just right there. But yeah, if you're wondering why I'm under this picnic shelf or shell or whatever it is, under this picnic roof, it's because it was raining a little bit, and I think it's still kind of spinning a little bit. As you can see, it's cloudy, and yeah, I'm out wearing a sweater. I think it's like 13 outside right now. So yeah. But I hope you guys are having a good day today. Let me know in the comments down below how your day's going so far. My day's going good, I guess. Yeah, it's not too bad. Just out for a walk right now. It's not too bad out right now. Like I said, it's 13. So yeah. Actually, guys, yesterday was really nice. Like yesterday was like really nice. Like yesterday felt like summer, literally. It literally got it to like 26 yesterday. It actually got pretty hot. Yeah. In fact, I think yesterday was nicer than Saturday. Because if you guys remember my last vlog, I did a vlog on Saturday at Tecumseh Park. If you want to check that video, link will be in the description down below. So yeah. But yeah, yesterday was really nice. Like yesterday felt like summer. Like it was like 26 and I was out in t-shirt and shorts again. And it was so hot yesterday, like I literally had to like bring a bottle of water because it was so hot. Yeah. And I got an ice cap from Timmy's yesterday, so that was pretty cool. And I got one on Saturday, so that was really nice. Yeah. But yeah, today's actually not that hot. Like today's actually cooled down a little bit. It's now back to 13s, back to spring weather. As yesterday was basically summer weather and Saturday. So yeah, since the weekend was like summer weather, now it's back to spring weather. So yeah, wearing a sweater and it's like 13 outside, so it's a little cooler than the weekend. So yeah. But yeah, I'm actually really glad that this weekend was like summer weather, but now it's back to like spring weather. So yeah. And guys, it was actually raining a lot like earlier. Like it was coming down a lot. I was like, sheesh. Oh yeah, it was coming down. But now it's like stopped for now and it's just cloudy. Yeah. They said it's supposed to rain like a few times like later, but yeah. Actually, I think it's starting to rain again a little bit. Yeah. Sometimes the thing about rain is like sometimes you can't really tell if it's raining. So yeah, sometimes it's like annoying. Yeah. But yeah, this is not gonna be a long vlog, you guys. I just want to vlog for a little bit, talk to you guys, and yeah, it's not too bad today. No. Yeah. Yeah, yesterday, guys, I had to like have my window open and my fan on. It was that hot. Oh yeah. Like yesterday, we had like straight up June weather. I was like, wow. And it's April, like the end of April. Yeah. Oh yeah, guys, guess what? Since today is the 25th of April, that means from today, that means from today, there's exactly 1 month into my birthday. Oh yeah. Hey. Yeah, guys, my birthday's now exactly a month away from today. Because my birthday is May 25th and today's April 25th. Yeah. So yeah, guys, today's exactly 1 month until my birthday. 1 month until my birthday. I'm actually really excited, guys, because now there's a month until my birthday. It's getting really close. Yeah. One more month. This is like the last month of 19 years old. Yeah, it's the last month I'll be 19 years old. And then in 1 month I'll be 20. So yeah. That's pretty cool. Yeah. And in less than a month now, I'll be in Florida. So, yeah. Well, in 1 month, I'll be in Florida, but there'll be less than a month until I'm on the way to Florida now. So, yeah. Also, guys, on May 12th, I'm going to Toronto to pick up my uncle from the airport. So, I might vlog a little bit of like the drive and, yeah, see if I can. I'll try and see if I can do a vlog there. And if not, I can just, yeah. But I'll try, guys. So, yeah. I just thought I should tell you. So, yeah. But yeah, I don't know why. It doesn't look like it's raining, but it actually is a little bit. Yeah, I don't like that. I don't like. Do you ever like? Do you guys not like it like when it looks like it's not raining, but then once you step outside, you actually feel raindrops, and you're like, oh come on, like it doesn't like bro, it doesn't look like it was raining. Oh yeah, it's kind of annoying. Like when it looks like it's not raining, but it is. It's like, come on. Yeah. But, you know, it's April, but yeah. But you know what they say, April showers bring May flowers. Yeah. Oh yeah, guys. In 1 month, not only is my birthday in 1 month, but in 1 month, Retrofest will be happening in Chatham. It's going to be at the end of May. I think from the 27th to the 28th. So yeah, it's going to be all weekend, or I think the 26th to the 28th. So if you guys want to check out Retrofest, it'll be at the last weekend of May. So yeah, it's going to be at the end of May. So if you guys want to check out Retrofest, they'll be downtown in person at the end of May. So yeah. And you know, Ribfest is in, you know, July. Yeah. I know I've been mentioning Retrofest or Ribfest in like almost every vlog, but yeah, yeah. Just thought I should tell you guys. Yeah. Yeah. I actually can't believe that April's almost over. Like, I can't believe it's already almost May. Like, wow. Do you guys feel like that this year so far is going by pretty fast? Like, we all thought last year, 2021, went by really fast, but so far this year, 2022, is kind of feeling the same way, where it feels like it's going to go by fast. Like, dude, like, guys, soon enough, it's going to be like September. Like, guys, September is already 4 months away. Technically, it's almost. What the wow. Like, guys, like, it does feel like this year is going to go by pretty fast, like last year. Like, yeah. Oh, yeah, then I wonder if next year, 2023, is going to go by fast, too. I'll be like, what's going on? Yeah. But, yeah. It actually does feel like the last couple years felt like it was going by fast. Like, 2021 felt like it went by pretty quick. So far, this year kind of is, too, a little bit. I mean, not really. Like, last year felt like, well, yeah, last year it felt like it went by pretty fast. But this year kind of is too, a little bit. But at the same time, it's like kind of taking its time a little bit. But yeah. Yeah. But I think I'm going to end the vlog here, guys. I know this vlog is going to be kind of short, but I just wanted to film a little bit for you guys. So, yeah, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, be sure to smash the like button, subscribe, turn the bell on. If you guys want to check out my vlog from Saturday, link will be in the description down below. I'm gonna do I'm gonna do more vlogs sometime this week, so stay tuned. Yeah. Hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and I'll see you guys later. Have a good day, everyone.